This man was walking on the road when he saw a dog sitting on the carpet because of the cold. Then the man picks up a carpet lying on the road and covers it on the dog. The dog is also trying to show love to him. Then the carpet slides down. The man again picks up the carpet and covers it on this dog. So friends, if there was any other man in place of this man, he probably would not have done this. What is your opinion? Do tell in the comment. Then this man goes away from there after showing love to the dog for a while. So friends, if you also like dogs, then subscribe.